Hey everyone, Val here, and I have an unboxing and review today. I was sent this product from gotvoom, and this product can be purchased on Amazon.com. So let me open it and I'll show you what I got. Alright, it comes like this in the box. I'll take this out. And there is a box inside the box. So let's open it up. Okay, so here we go. And this is our item. And we're going to take it out of this box. It's packed very nicely. And this is a lithium battery mini electric screwdriver. Let's take a look at it. Alright, first thing in the box is this little charging cord, and this will work from your computer, or you can plug it into a USB outlet. And then we have another box in here that's again wrapped. This is nice. Okay. Okay, and the top comes off, and we have all of these bits. There's a screwdriver bits. There's a lot of them in there. And there's a lot of different ones. We have the Phillips and we have the straight edge in all different sizes. Very nice. And then we have our mini screwdriver. So it seems to be charged. And it also has a light on it. So that's very cool. So you can kind of see what it is you're working on. So I'm going to just take a bit out of the box. A really nice box. And put it in here. This sits in here good. It's held in there good. So it's not going to fall out. Alright, so if you see the switch here, if you push the switch, this is going clockwise. If you push the switch up here, it goes counterclockwise. So you can screw your screws in, or you can screw the screw out. That's really cool. It has the USB port on the end there, so you can plug it in to keep it charging. That's very, very nice. Okay, this little piece here is an extender. So this end goes in to the end of the screwdriver, and then the bits, you have a longer screwdriver if you need it. These bits are made for smaller items like electronics. It's not heavy duty, but this is great for fixing electronics like laptops and telephones and little things like that, smaller items. So let's try this out and see how it works. Alright, this is my old camera, the one that's not working. So I'm going to pick, these are little tiny, I don't know if you can see them, but there's little tiny screws in there. So I'm going to see how this works. Hold it tight. Alright, there's the first screw. I don't know if you can see it there. Very tiny screws. There's your second screw. There's your third screw. It's nice that the screws stick to this. I don't know if this is magnetic. This is definitely magnetic, and then the cover that goes onto this is magnetic also. So that's very cool that it's all magnetic. Now these are straight screws on the bottom. So I'm going to save that one out, and I'm going to find a straight screwdriver, and I need a very small one because these screws are so very tiny. And this is definitely made for the smaller screws. This could work, I would think, on eyeglasses and stuff too. You would just have to be careful. But if you're working on electronics, this is perfect. Oh, I can't get it all the way out. Alright, so we got all of those screws out in little to no time. This works very nice with the light on it. So it's a cute size. It really is a cute size. Easy to handle. Removes your screws very quickly. And just a nice little size. Easy to charge with your charger here, and it has a awesome box that has a magnetic design, so the lid just goes on there and it stores nicely. So your screwdriver will fit in there once I take the bit out of it. Got room for all of your bits. This is extremely easy to charge. You connect the charging cord to it. You can plug it into a plug. I've just got it plugged into my PC here. And if you will look on it, it will tell you how much of a charge it has. When it's fully charged, all of the lights will be lit up. But this came in the box. It came just about fully charged. It shouldn't take more than probably a couple of minutes to get a full charge on it, but this came in the box fully charged. It's a really nice looking electric screwdriver, cordless electric screwdriver. So this is the PKEY electric screwdriver, mini electric screwdriver. It's cordless with 28 magnetic precision bits, LED light, and dual mode. Type C rechargeable electric screwdriver set with PC building, electronics, and phones. So this is perfect if you are someone who loves to work on electronics. And I love how everything stores nice and neatly in the case. And the top just is magnetic. It just goes right on. This is perfect, easy to use, very nice, nicely presented. Just a wonderful little screwdriver set. Alright, if you are interested in finding this, I'll put a link in the description box below. Please go and check it out. If you work on electronics or you know somebody else who does, this is something that you've got to have because this works really, really well. I want to thank everybody for watching. Give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed and you want to. And check out the link in the description box below. And check out this little screwdriver set. It's really, really nice.